Heidi. This is Los Heidi, and today we are in Envigado in Home Center. Look who's here.
It's me. How's everybody doing?
So, what are we about to do?
We're about to buy a Christmas tree for my Airbnb.
Yeah. So he just invited me over and he wants to get a Christmas tree. So we are on the place just trying to get something very nice, very beautiful.
That's not true, fam. She's making that up.
I'm not. Okay, look at those.
Wow, look at that. Christmas is here. So Christmas is like a huge holiday in Colombia.
Yeah. We really love Christmas. So this is tree number 1. But too big? Okay. I mean, we just can keep on looking at something. So my friend Aaron, he wants to get a Christmas tree. Guys, this is a really nice place. I mean, when you're in Envigado, you can come to different places, and we are at Home Center, so we're definitely just gonna be checking on what we're going to do. Today is like a Christmas shopping day, so we're gonna be here, and yeah. Let me tell you a little bit around. I mean, I don't think it's gonna be that different from whatever you have in your countries, but the only special thing is that we are here with Aaron, and I'm gonna introduce you someone, my special one, and they're here.
That's the same tree.
Okay, guys, say hi.
Hello.
You say hi too.
Hi. Hello.
Hello.
Family.
Okay.
Okay, you say hi. Okay, say hi.
Look at this.
That's too small.
That's too small. Too small, too big.
Well, I guess we're gonna have to get one of these, huh?
No, we can keep on looking.
I don't think there's. But I don't think this is like there's trees anywhere else. Want to ask somebody?
I think there are more. I think we can keep on going there and ask. So we have this. This is the train. This is the puppy. This is the bear. Look, Santa.
Maybe we just buy a whole bunch of decorations.
You know what? Like we do believe in Niño Dios, or how can you say that? Like Jesus, baby Jesus,
Baby
or something.
Jesus, yeah.
Now you guys have Santa, so I think like children, they get really confused because you have Santa and then you have baby Jesus. We have, like in Colombia, we have baby Jesus. Santa is more American.
Well, they have both in America.
Do you have baby Jesus?
Yes.
You guys believe in baby Jesus?
Yes. Yes, we believe in baby Jesus. Hey, maybe let's get this right here.
That's too small. Let's keep on looking.
Ask my net. Right.
Okay. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Oye, estamos buscando un arbolito de Navidad que no estén solamente acá.
No sé.
O sea, ¿solo estos son los arbolitos de Navidad o hay más?
No, ya. Ese es el remate.
Ah, there's no more. Okay, gracias. No hay más árboles de Navidad.
Ya no hay.
No. Okay, so they're saying like because it's
there
kind of
another store?
late. It's 18
That is true.
December, so yeah, we're gonna try to do whatever we can.
Or maybe we should. Three days later.
Okay guys, so we were about just to get some Christmas tree, but you know it's a little bit late, so we couldn't, and now we have this tree, this beautiful bear, which is Heidy nice, some candles. We're gonna make a small but nice decoration. We have a train, we have a candle, more lights, and my friend here, he was just you know, suffering because according to him, it's very cold. So we got a heater and we got an air fryer, which is about, this is for cooking. So I don't know if you guys know what is that, but in Colombia, it's like the favorite electrodomestic ever in this world. Yeah, that's what we're going to do. We're gonna pay. Tell the people you're suffering from cold.
Sometimes it's cold in that Airbnb, my Airbnb. And yes, I was complaining about
When
not
you're alone,
having-
it's colder.
No, it don't matter.
When you're alone, it's
I'm
colder.
walking around, it's cold. Okay, it don't matter if I'm laying in the
He has
bed.
even a jacket.
I know.
Oh, so sweet. You're so sweet. Okay, so we're gonna get this. We're gonna just go pay and then, yeah, get our tree and our decoration done. Say something.
Absolutely nice tree. I like that tree.
You like the tree?
I do.
Yeah. This is a small one, but it's cute. I like it. Now we're making a line. So guys, we're gonna pay, and after that, we're gonna be heading again back to the Airbnb, which I'm gonna show you a little bit how it looks like. And yeah, we're gonna be just putting or setting our decoration.
15 minutes later.